In this video, we'll show you how to set up the ACS380 machinery drive with fieldbus communication after the mechanical installation. We are configuring the drive through the PLC using Profinet I/O remotely. All of the work to get the drive working and motor running can be done in this engineering tool. Let's get started. When powered on for the first time, the drive starts the configuration and uploads the Profinet I/O-based settings to the drive. Remote configuration can be done using the Profinet I/O connection with an ABB or non-ABB PLC. For this installation, we are using an ABB AC380 PLC with a Profinet I/O coupler. The PLC project is based on the real hardware configuration. After finishing the hardware configuration of the PLC, the drive can be found by the Profinet I/O master. After assigning the Profinet I/O name, the drive is ready to be parameterized. Application-related parameters can be entered into the drive using Drive Manager. After parameterization is complete, the drive can be started by forcing the control and reference variables. Control and status words variable names are entered, along with the reference and actual values. After parameterization is complete, the drive can be controlled from the PLC. In Drive Manager, it is possible to see the current operational state of the drive. Thank you for watching. For more information, please visit our website.